Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. We got a mystery, yay! Hi, I'm Jill. Everyone here calls me Jiggy or Jiggy Jill. I'm the customer experience in wholesale, so I help out the sales team here at Nellie's, and I've been here for 6.5 years. Let's see. Wow, this sure is a mystery stain. What do you think it is? Poo? Blowout? You can use any method, solutions, or ingredients that are on the table. You have 90 seconds to get the stain off. That's not a ton of time, but we'll try and get through it. Let's see what we have. So we've got one soap, fragrance-free, that's always a good option. Oxygen brightener. Oxygen brightener is great for a little bit of everything. It's our bleach alternative. Laundry soda, that's another one of my favorite products. And Wow Stick. Wow Stick is our stain remover stick. Love it, so that could work too. And we've got hot water and looks like cold water, bowl and toothbrush. All right, let's decide what we're gonna do. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna move everything out of the way. So I think I'm gonna choose our oxygen brightener and some hot water, because the oxygen brightener, I feel, kind of works on everything. And I'm gonna use this hot water. Hot water, and I'm just gonna pour some, oh, that really is hot. Pour some on the stain. And I'm actually gonna make a paste. So I'm gonna take some of the oxy, I'm gonna actually put it in the bowl, and I'm gonna put some more hot water, and I'm just gonna, actually I put too much hot water. Whoopsie daisy. I'm just gonna make a paste. So here we go, I'm mixing it all. I'm taking a toothbrush. Now I actually love the oxygen brightener because I actually use it on a lot of my stains. I usually will use the Wow Stick, and then I will go over it with a paste with the oxygen brightener, and then I will toss it in my laundry. Okay, 60 seconds, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, okay. And then I pop it in the washing machine, and it works like amazing. Okay, here we go. It's like, it's coming out. I'm just gonna dip it back in the hot water. I'm actually gonna put some oxy, a little bit more oxy right on the stain, and take some of the water and just scrub, 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 scrub. Here we go. Okay, well, how much time have I got left? Okay, rinse, rinse, rinse. I'm gonna dip it in cold water. Okay, so maybe it wasn't very realistic to do the stain in 90 seconds. So I am just gonna let it soak in here overnight probably. Or I mean, you can let it soak for like 5 or 6 hours and check on it again. A lot of times I will just do it at nighttime. And then in the morning, it should be good to go. And if not, then just pop it in the washing machine with some laundry soda and some more oxy. But I do have a cheat card here. It says how to remove protein stains for like milk, blood, vomit, poop, wine, red wine. So it says, do use cold water. Don't use hot water. It can set the protein into the fabric. So I did use hot water. So that's probably why it didn't remove right away. And it says use enzyme-based cleaners. Do not use bleach or ammonia. I did use an enzyme-based cleaner, which is the oxygen brightener. It does have some enzymes in it. So I did do that part right. Okay, well, that was fun. I sure learned something new. I hope you got some tips and tricks out of this video. And if you have any stains that you are having trouble getting rid of, just let us know and we can help you out. Thanks for watching.